Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Korean beef tacos. And I'm also going to share with you how my hubby likes to enjoy Korean beef. Korean beef tacos combines the best of both worlds. It has sweet and savory ground beef in a tortilla, drizzled with creamy sriracha mayo. Trust me you guys, this recipe is a crowd pleaser. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to make the sauce for our tacos, and I'm going to start off with a half cup of mayo. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sriracha. This has quite a bit of heat, but you can go ahead and adjust it according to your taste. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. This just gives the sauce a subtle amount of sweetness. Now I'm going to mix everything until it's well combined. If you guys know me, you guys know I love this sauce. This sriracha mayo we use for burgers, fries, chicken tenders, you name it. I have a little bit of oil in a pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. And I'm just going to use my spoon to break up the meat, and we're going to cook it until it's completely browned and cooked through. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any suggestions for any recipes. I'm always open. So the meat here is nice and browned, and I'm going to go ahead and drain all of the excess liquid from the pan. I'm going to add a dash of oil along with 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and 4 minced garlic cloves. And I'm going to continue to cook for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to cook down the garlic a little bit. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of soy sauce and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to continue to cook until most of the liquid has evaporated. This will take about 3 minutes. Korean beef is one of our favorite recipes. It's quick, it's easy, it tastes amazing, and normally I'll serve this over some steamed rice and I'll add some green onions. But today we're gonna serve these as tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? And today I feel like you can turn so many recipes into tacos. Speaking of that, if you love this, don't forget to check out my Filipino adobo taco recipe. That's also one of our favorites. So now that the beef is done, I'm just gonna transfer it into a serving dish, and we are ready to build our tacos. I have some corn tortillas here that I heated over the stove, and I'm just going to add a little bit of filling in them. You can also use flour tortillas. I know my kids actually prefer flour. And I'm going to drizzle over some of that creamy sriracha mayo. This combination is just a flavor bomb. And just because I have some, I'm going to sprinkle over some sesame seeds. But if you guys don't have them, please don't go out and buy them. It's not that necessary for this recipe, and I like to make things easier for you guys. And lastly, if you're a cilantro lover like me, I'm gonna sprinkle over some chopped cilantro. And there you have it, Korean beef tacos. And now I'm gonna show you how my hubby likes to eat Korean beef. He actually likes to make nachos out of it. So we have a layer of tortilla chips, and I'm gonna add some of the beef. And I don't know if you can actually call these nachos because we don't put cheese on them, but if you want to add cheese, feel free. It doesn't need it, but I'm sure it will be good with it. I'm also adding a few sliced jalapenos. And here's my little guy popping in to look for a snack. And lastly, I'm adding some pico de gallo. You can use homemade or store-bought. Homemade is actually really easy to make. And there you go, nachos without cheese. All right, it's time to dig in. I wish you guys could taste this, it's so good. And I guess I'm having nachos today too. I don't know what's better, you guys, the nachos or the tacos. Let me know what you prefer in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.